The linking job. The linking job connects the approach and retract movements of two or more jobs with the same tool. In this case, I would like to rough this pocket optimized. For this, I use a bull nose end mill, diameter 12. With a 5-axis helical drilling I machine the first hole. The pocket is widened with 3D arbitrary stock roughing and then machined in 2 steps with 3D Z-level finishing. Finally, we want to mill a chamfer to the pocket. If I would post-process the programs, the machine would move to the clearance position, reposition itself, and then restart the approach. The time of unnecessary motions is completely wasted. Linking jobs can be used to link separate jobs. This avoids unnecessary movements. I can add jobs directly into a linking job, or create a new linking job, and then add the jobs with the Shift key pressed. Linking jobs support any tool available in hyperMILL, but it can only link jobs with the same tool. The frames can be different. The job can link 2D as well as 3D and 5x cycles. This is done at clearance plane or clearance position. Do I like to keep all rapids, or skip the first and last one? There's a collision check with the milling area, but if I would like to, I can also check against the stock. If the jobs that I want to link are already calculated, I only have to calculate the linking job. I confirm the messages and the tool paths will be generated. Using the internal machine simulation is the best way to see what was calculated. We start the simulation and position our view so that we can see everything well. Here we can see the 5-axis helical drilling directly connected to the 3D arbitrary stock roughing, as well as with the 2 jobs of the 3D Z-level finishing. The tool remains close to the part, and avoids unnecessary movements that cost time and money. Thank you for your attention.